Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 307. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest, today's problems, and everything. And yeah, each problem will have its own description. Put it on the each it will have its own video. We'll put it in the description below. I was just telling Alexa to turn off my lights because I don't know. I'm not using it. Anyway, 25 seconds to go. Wish me good luck. I did okay in the morning contest or the weekly or the bi-weekly. Let's keep it going. I still made a silly mistake, so we'll see. I need to figure out. I need to be improving on it. That's what I was gonna say. But yeah, I have my pencil and paper ready. 10 seconds to go. So yeah, let's ready to go, go, go. Good luck to me. Good luck to you. Wish me good luck. And 3, 2, 1, go. Always be loading issue. 10 seconds just spent on loading. Maybe even more. Okay. Is this the easiest one? Yeah, okay. Experience. Okay. How many hours of training can we have? What is this thing? Okay. Okay, so energy is -1. Man, this is a reading problem. I can't even read it. Okay, so we have to increase. It has to be strictly okay. This is 3. This goes up to 5. So we need 2 more experience for sure to go to 7. Okay, I think it's just simulation, but it's just so awkward the way they phrase it. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Oh. Eh. Okay. Okay. And experience to the experience. But we have to be strictly greater than experience. It's a little bit awkward, but maybe not. Okay. So needed, we added by experience minus current experience. So if this is 3, we have 5, so we have to add 2. So this is basically plus 1. And then needed, we added by also max of this and 0. 8 and 0, is that right? Am I right here? Let's see. It's just so easy to get wrong. That's why. This should be 13. Oh, oops. It should be 12. I'm trying to be careful, but I knew I should have been more careful. Quick 5-minute penalty. Why did I get it wrong? Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to train to 5. 2. 2 is fine. So this is 48. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so because this is 5, if we start at 5, no, it should be, okay. If we start at 3, so this is 4, this is 3, 2, 1, and then 0. So this has to be 4. So, okay, so that means that this should be 47. Is that right? So that's, am I getting off by 1 here? So that means that I have, this shrinks by 1. Oh, because everything is less than 100, that's what we should have put forced on. Oh, I am dumb on this one. Instead of trying to be too smart. Alright, let's go. Is that true? I think the energy part is fine, but the experience part is the tricky part. I'm not gonna do it on this one. Because, okay, fine. That's not right either. Oh, that's because for the experience part, we need to go. Why is this wrong? Did I click on it? I did click on it. Oh, that's because, yeah. Okay. That was a very hard problem, especially with wrong answer. Okay, largest form using it should not contain leading zeros. Okay, so we can the largest number. Okay. It could be 10 to the 5th digit, so I have to be careful. So basically, we want okay, then we want if C supply okay. Well, we'd want it to go to okay, except for if it's 0. Right. Yeah, maybe it's fine. And then and so and we should remove leading 0, so excuse me. And that's fine. Okay, just to keep because the state's consistent. And then now we want to do the odd digits. Okay, so then here we go. And that's only if so then now we want if odd, then we want plus else just return this without the -1. Map a string object not reversible. Really? That's not good. Oh, because these are numbers. What? 2020. Huh? Alright, let's just look at the prefix first. Okay, so is this right? This is not right. Also, this one just comes out of nowhere. That's not great. 7441. Where does the 1 come from? Oh, the odd digit. Odd digit is oh, whoops. Okay, so that's better. Why is this not right? this map. Is that not right? Oh, because it's what? Oh, because it's a deck, not a thing, maybe. Why? Why is this not right? Is that not right? I'm so confused, but maybe something like this. How am I spending so much time on this? Sequence index must be integer, not slice? What? Why? Oh, because you can't slice a deck. Okay, well, okay, and now we could do it, I think. Okay, I think this is right, but now we have to think about this. Okay, that looks right. Let's give it some mid. This is wrong answer central. Today's just a lot of wrong answers. Okay, amount binary tree to be affected. Okay. So node with the star. Okay, so just the longest path from this node, right? So this is a pretty straightforward problem for once. So we have to figure out how to calculate it. So it goes up the tree. Okay, that's good. Left. Like that, and then now we just what is start again? Is it all unique? Yeah, it's unique. Okay. Okay. And it has to be in the tree. Okay. No. Okay. And then we go to left, right parent. Right. Okay. What to find? Node over. Next is in current.left, current.parent. If x not in D, 1, x, and then distance 1. This is found. Okay. Let's see. Right. I think that's the only one that I didn't do. None object. Whoops. If x is not none and this stuff 4 and 0. Let's give it a submit. Come on, no silly mistake. Okay. Whew, alright, that was a tough contest. We still have another problem to go, but we're in a good place, maybe. Silly mistake on Q1. Only 7 people got in this one so far. Yikes. Not doing very well, but okay. Choose any, read the problem now. Subsequent some OS elements together. K sum to kth largest subsequence that can be obtained, not necessarily distinct. And K can be up to 2,000, right? So we can maybe do some funky things here. And they don't have to be distinct. 2,000. This is gonna be tough. Wow, I'm gonna need a lot of penalty on this one. Yikes. Okay. Let's sort it first. Largest or big, smallest? I guess it doesn't really matter, but so the largest initially is gonna be all the positive numbers first, and then I only have to do it 2,000 times. 2,000 times 10 to the 5th is already too slow. Maybe. Is it? Yeah, it is a little bit slow. So basically, the largest will be all the positive numbers, right? And then next, we will either put in a negative number or minus whatever number, minus the smallest number. But then after that, it becomes some crazy 2 to the n thing. But it's only 2,000, so what is the clean way of doing it? Also, this is a long, right? Like in other languages, it'll be long. So I have to think about that maybe. But because my intuition is some sort of some sort of thing, but so n choose 2, n choose 3. What's n choose 3? I guess 10,000 100,000 choose 2 is already going to be too small. So basically we're saying that oh, 2,000. For a big number, it's going to be less than that. We can't even store it very well in a kind of want a buffer search kind of thing, basically. And there's so many edge cases. 4 minutes, really. Okay, so let's say we take because it's 2000, there's going to be basically we want all the numbers minus one of the number, right? That's going to be right except for smaller ends. How do we take care of the smaller ends? I guess that's the thing. Let's see, what is the worst case? Worst case is 2000 square, because then it's missing two numbers. Okay, I think I can manage it. I'm going to use it C++ just because I don't know. We'll see if this works, but just because I don't know, I don't trust Python anymore. So basically it's all the numbers minus one number, but then it could also be minus two numbers, and then subtracting numbers. So I don't think it's just minus one. Well, the zeros is the trickiest part, but that's fine. We can do the math that way. Okay, and then now we want that's actually weird, but I think as long as we get it, it's fine. So we so there's 2 to the zeros possible way of choosing the zeros, right? So if k is less than, so I want something like this, but not really. Let's just say 12, because then 2 to the 12 is 4000, so it should be okay. And then yeah, if k is less than 0, then we just return the sum of all the positive numbers. Oh, this isn't Right, what I want is actually this. Then we just return 0, return total. So I want to do k minus minus anyway. And then otherwise, okay, let's say we handle all the zeros. And now we have to remove a real non-zero number. So then we can brute force on the smallest 12 numbers or something. Okay, I think that's right. Actually, I could do this in Python. Now that I think I had a different idea of how to do it, so that's why initially. But yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. And then now we just need to, yeah, the smallest 12 numbers or something. The smallest absolute value because, okay, yeah. Let's just say numbers 2. Is that? Don't remember that's a function. Okay, fine. We want to sort it, and then we take the first. You just say 12 elements. Yeah. Okay, so this one. Basically, we have 1, 3, 4, and 12. And yeah, okay. I guess it doesn't go out of bounds. So now we want the kth element. So we have a heap. I guess we could just sort it. No need to do whatever. Okay. Index plus 1. Oh, oops. Index is equal to n. Okay. And then now we do away that sort. And then now this is the smallest contribution, so then it will be returned. Something like that. And it's not defined. Two and 11. Okay, so we're close, not quite. I mean, you know, anything could be close, I suppose. But okay, so we have a lot of numbers. It includes 0, So the zero figures is okay. That's fair. Is 10. Why is that 10? So it's K. K is 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 10, but in total it's going to be 20. Wait, what? I think there's a lot of potential mistakes, but I feel like we're right here. We're close, we'll finish. Okay, 20 and 9, so why? We're looking for 14. Why is K 14? Because we did this, and this includes 0. If there's 0 of them, then we subtract. Okay, so I think we want this minus 1, which is none of the zeros. Because that's, yeah. So I guess maybe I just don't need to do it here. Because if there's 1, then we remove 2. Okay, maybe this is right actually. Maybe we did the other thing. Okay, let's see. I don't really have a great examples, to be honest. So, and I don't even have. I don't even know what the right answer should be. So, let's see. This is 6, and then it just goes on for a while. All right, I'm going to YOLO. Mostly because I don't. I mean, I guess I could write a brute force one, but I think I'm okay with YOLOing. Okay. Oh no, this is a not easy to debug answer. How are people doing? Okay, so a lot of people got it, but we still have this maybe. So what is N? Okay, so N is 18. Am I doing this well? So this is the absolute maximum number. We're looking for K is 66, and I assume we have all these. Does this go overboard? Maybe we have some weird issues with me not doing enough numbers. No, that's right, 4,000 numbers. It just prints a lot of it. That's weird then. Am I off by 1? How many zeros is there? There are no zeros, so that's weird, right? Okay, so there's 2 positive numbers. Wait, are there 2 positive numbers? Maybe there are more. I just wasn't paying attention. There are no zeros, so what am I doing wrong? This should really just be right. The answer is 149. So I'm off by a lot. Pretty huge. Just want to see, so this should be a bigger number. Is that right? Am I off by 1? No, I'm off by more than that. Am I thinking about it wrong? On a different line, but so this all these number. And all these have a negative contribution from the total. So why am I wrong? Tell me why. Like, I don't even know how to be off by that much. Did I not sort it? I do sort it. Huh. Come on, Larry, you're close, I think. It's not even in here, is it? One, 4, 9. It's not even in here. Why is that not even in here? So is this? Yeah, they should be getting. My standard out is weird. Is that right? Did I comment it out? Oh, did it just get dotted? Okay, fine. I was trying to figure out why this was the case, but okay. Okay. It's still not here though. How do I even get this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Should be here somewhere, right? Huh. It's not even in here. It's not even close. Did I mess up anywhere? Why? Okay. But I returned this, and I don't even see. Oh, I guess I do see it, but that's not the 16th element. What? Oh no, this is not the 16th. This is the 1707. Okay, that's fine, I guess. But why does the other one not even show up if I'm brute forcing this? Right, let me try. Okay, so let's just say I have 20. Right, would that make? That's probably why. Now that I think about it, but yeah. So then now it is in here. So my assumption about using the oh, I see. So using the, because it could be a combination of the two smaller numbers that are not being used. That's right. I did forget about this. I was thinking about it, but then I forgot about it. Because it could be the combination of... No, it's just that... Okay, so it's either these or... I see. I think I got it. It's either this or just missing one of the numbers. So... Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's either the 12th smallest number here or for x in nums, if x is less than 0. Oh, and also there's zeros. I'm missing the 0 case because each of these are zeros as well. Though, I guess in this case, it's kind of factored into here. I think in that case it's fine, actually. I don't know that we need to do here. But, okay, let's remove this actually, just for, because I think there's just more margin for error. Okay, we still have like 40 minutes, so we're fine. Okay, so this is then we want this to append by total minus x, well, plus x, I suppose. Yeah. Because this is generating, and then else, is this gonna be the right answer? Nope, it's a slightly better answer, but still the wrong answer. I have to do two numbers inside, is that why? Because it should work, except for this double counts some of the numbers that are already in here. So that's an issue. How do I handle it? But it should still be a bigger number, not a smaller number, so something's still wrong here. And we can make this number bigger, but it still won't fix the fact that we need, let's see. But if you need two numbers, are you not already screwed? Okay, let's just do... Okay, and then we can do count or something. Let's just do 3 numbers. And then we can do the brute force here. sub 2 will brute force on the let's just say, yeah, 12 is fine. And then we have to brute force the 1 and the 2, so yeah. Something like this, but this is just way easy to be wrong. Oh, oops. That's even a worse answer. Why? Tell me why. You use 1. I don't get it. I mean, I think the idea is right, but I'm just not, getting it right. Well, I think it's something like this, but we convert this to 18, is it right? So 18 we have mostly right, but not really. What? Am I missing a case now? Yeah, I think I'm missing a case. So we take every 2 numbers. So is there a case where 3 numbers is good, but not in the smallest 12 numbers? That's great. I thought there was some pigeonhole principle thing, but which is why I did it this way, but But beyond that, how? I guess if you have enough zeros, no, but because you have 12, right? We have 12 numbers. 12 are the smallest numbers. We don't need to, this is already absoluted, so. I guess maybe this case. Let's just try this for now and then see what happens. Nope, still pretty bad. So the answer is because okay, so let's just say we have this, right? So this now we have it right because now we brute force everything. So that also means that I'm doing it wrong when I have this is greater than 3, so we use 2. This is 1, this is 2, right? So why is this wrong? That's what I want to know. What am I missing from here? This should be this choose 2, and this is all the numbers here. And well, oh, this one overcounts, so maybe that's why, because we already did the one number. I forgot about that one actually. But okay, so we're a little bit closer after removing that. Nope. Why is this off? We chose the 2 number and then we chose the 1 number. Okay, let's put this back in and then we just put. Okay, so then here we do length of R. It should be 496, but it is not, right? Why is that not? Burning a lot of time. 18, so 2 to the 18, right? Okay, so this is actually right in the number. Then why am I not, why is this wrong? Oh, because I'm sorting it by the total. I'm just being dumb. Okay. I am being a dumb. Okay. Okay, now this is right. I am just being a dumb. And then now I could do this maybe? Does this make it a little bit better? Nope. I mean, it's a little bit better, but it's not quite right. Because I don't do the choose 3 part. Maybe I just 20 is fine, but even everything less than the number. So I'm kind of worried that. Let's see how many. Okay, so what is 18 choose 2? It's okay. 18 choose 3 or 20 choose 3 maybe. It's 20 choose 3. It's 1,000. So 20 choose 2 is 20 choose 3. So 1,000 choose 3 is going to be. Is that going to be good enough? It's because them numbers are actually smaller than this, which is kind of crazy to be honest. But like, how is it that we can generate that many thingies from here? I don't know. Also, a descent is true. Also, even this answer is not true, so I have to be careful and not submit, because I should at least get that answer right. But yeah, now it's bigger, but that's because because this is m's of m, that's why. What we want is for x in R in nums. That's why. Okay. I missed the case for 1 number. Okay, is that right? Nope, still wrong. Why? Why are you wrong? You already have all these numbers. You have every possibility in theory. Why is this wrong? Also, I have this one wrong now, so everything is very wrong. So this is 1, this is 0, 1, 2, right? Why is this wrong? 2, 6, 4. This is also wrong. So something else is wrong here. Huh? I don't know how to solve this, I guess. Why is this wrong? Also, why is this wrong for the input? So together this is 6. 6 minus 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. So why is this so wrong? Did I do the total wrong? I'm so confused. Maybe I won't get it. I thought I could do some sort of pigeonhole, but so okay. So total is 8. Length of the way is 8. Total is 6. That's right. And then so we 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's because I'm don't minus the k minus 1 because we lost the 0 thing that we did before. So okay. Okay, so this is now right again, I think. Yeah, I just set it off by 1. So let's put this back in and then make this again. Okay, this is wrong again now. I don't get how it could be wrong. This is doing the right number, 2 to the 18. Like that should be all the possibilities that lies before us. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Yeah, this should be right. Right. Well, this array is negative, so that's just weird. So we want, oh, because this is nums 3, not nums. Okay. A lot of typos here. Okay, so this is right again. But is it right for, if we change this to 12, would that be right? No, right? Even though that is principal here, 16, because we shouldn't need all 18, but yet we do on the brute force. What that means is that 3 of the numbers are kind of putting it in. I guess it is like a thing. Okay. How many people have gotten it so far? I need to change my approach. I think it's more breadth first search. Initially, I thought that it would be this, but yeah. How would I do it with breadth first search? I remove one of the numbers. Okay. Yeah, okay, maybe we just do something funky. Heap, and then yeah, we do. That's last index, and then that's total. Yeah, okay, fine. And we want a min heap to get the max h, right? So yeah, we want the min heap. No, I feel like this is too expensive. What is going on here? Like the way that I'm thinking of doing it. Oh, I guess we could still do it that way. We just look at the smallest 2000 number or something. Because for sure, that should be okay. We want a max heap, so okay. Max. Let's see. So for I index plus 1, index plus k. Right? Maybe that's fine. Because by definition there's some pigeonhole or something, but current is thing. Well, this is this minus. So okay, if is greater than what was that is negative, so okay fine. This is a max heap. No, wait, this is a min heap. Yeah, this is a min heap actually. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this. Basically, we want to know if this is if this is greater than this. Well, this is greater than. So now, if this is bigger, then we want to append it. No, this is just this. Yep. Okay. maybe like while length. Okay, and then we return each of 0, maybe something like that. I should put that code somewhere. This index of, okay, why? Oh. Okay, I did now I can have this. Okay, well, that's unfortunate. Let's see. That's weird. Oh, I guess this should have total on the inside. Okay, 6 and 20 is definitely not right. Okay, so after one iteration is already done because of this. So basically, if this. Okay, 0 and 5. It's a little bit closer maybe, but still not quite right. Here we have 264 is the heap. This queue needs to be a priority queue. That's why. Though it may be just wrong in general, but to be honest. Yeah, okay. This needs to be priority queue. I'm being dumb again. And we want a max heap, so this is going to be yeah, we want a max heap, so we want this, I think. I thought I spent a lot of time on the other one, but okay, so this isn't doing enough work. So there's 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 0. But because it's not doing the 5. I don't know. I thought the pigeonhole would work, but turns out maybe they just quite small than I expected. It's actually kind of surprising. Yeah, that's actually surprising. Maybe not, because it could be just a lot of what. No, but wouldn't that really? I don't know how to do this one. I don't know that this is right either. This is my original other code. Can I make this work? Now 15 minutes, I don't know that I can solve this anymore. Oh, I got rid of the other test case. Whoops. Oh well, I mean, it shouldn't matter. Basically, it should already be good enough, right? Why is this wrong? I really should have kept the other case. That sucks though, because I wanted to see. I might have YOLO submitted if I didn't. Well, this one is wrong for this input, so that's just pretty sad too. 6 minus xy. Oh, because of the k minus 1 thing. Okay, let me just YOLO submit. It's gonna be wrong, but okay. Maybe don't print so much, Larry. Oh my, that is just a silly. I mean, it's still gonna be wrong, but that's just a silly wrong answer. I don't know how to do this one. I thought that I could pigeonhole it in, but clearly, it's off by a little bit. Like in this case, because how many choose 3 is good enough? 1000 choose 3 is going to be too big, so just say 100 choose 3. 20 choose 3. 20 choose 3 is already 1000, but then when 30 choose 3 maybe. Alright. 40 choose 4. 20 choose 4. Okay. I mean, why not? What did we say? 100 choose 3. It's gonna be too big, so let's just say 40 choose 3 is 9000. That should be okay, right? Just fine. Now we're just doing more pigeonhole-y. What is this? 51. This is the right answer. Okay, fine. Also, now that other stuff is wrong, so yeah, this other stuff is wrong. I don't know, friends. Oh, no, this is fine, but this is. I mean, in theory, it's fine. It's just that there are other things wrong with this, I suppose. This is 3. I'm just doing a Hail Mary at this point. I don't really know why. Why is this wrong though for this one and this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And 4. I'm looking at for, I guess, this one even. This has 8 numbers, so why is this wrong? we have 6 minus. Why is my answer 4? So k is 5, so we want 2, 3, 4. This is 4, so yeah, 6 minus 4 is 2, right? Do I minus k in 2 sides or something weird? Why does this take so long? Why? Log of k is 2. Oh, why is it 2? Because k is 5. This is so stupid. I'm spending so much time debugging. Really should have this one. But, and this is kind of sad that this might, I thought I know how to do this, but k is 2, why is k 2? Did I just misread the input? K is 5, so then what? Oh, because I'm using k here like an idiot. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is still wrong, but that's fine at least, maybe. Okay, this is still wrong, but this is fine-ish. So now we want to do no, but then we already do use 3, right? This is very awkward, for sure. Yeah, I don't know how to do this one. I mean, maybe I just thought there's some pigeonhole stuff, but my math is clearly wrong. Do we choose 4? Yeah, I don't know why this is wrong. 40 choose of, 20 choose 5. It's just How is it possible? What is my case? I mean, I guess there is a case, but how is there a number such that the 5 number? I guess if they're all 1s or something. Like if they're all 0s, for example. But then if they're all 0s, then this should have been taken care of by all these other cases first. Maybe I have to do some deduping. Maybe I have to do some DP. No, I mean, maybe maybe it's just by first search and I'm being dumb. Yikes. And the 5-minute, and I took too long on Q1, right? Wow, this is just kind of mean at this point, to be honest. If you're a fan, you should get your own handle. It's kind of a little bit harsh at this point. I don't know if that was intentional, but did pretty quickly too. How? I mean, That's really weird. I really thought that that would be enough though, to be honest, the pigeonhole, but apparently not. I don't know how this is so whatever. Like, isn't there how is it not pigeonhole-y enough? 5 numbers that are smaller than. I guess you can always construct a case where there's X numbers, so you need a breadth first search. I'm not gonna get a breadth first search in 5 minutes. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how to do this one. I mean, maybe it's breadth first search, but I can't even do the breadth first search right. Or, I mean, or at least like the way that I would think about it is through all the. I mean, I think there's a way to do it. I mean, I'm trying to think when I will upsolve afterwards, but. It's kind of sad. I mean, it's probably breadth first search, but I just was so stubborn about this one. Okay, let's see if I can upsolve this. I mean, I have 3 minutes left in the contest, so I'm not going to be able to solve this, but I guess that is just how you do it, right? I mean, maybe I just have to. Maybe there is some weirdness here. And then we also have a heap. Total or minus total? It's a max. I always forget. So it's a min heap. We want a min heap. That's fine. And then okay. So then here we go. Just that for I in range of n. If I not in used, then next the cost is going to be the current minus absolute value of s nums I. If this is equal to 0, or if this is less than target, or h of 0 is greater than next, or the other way around, then we push of h of nx, and then we nx, and then just to set I, right? something like that. And then else, yeah, okay. If is greater than x, then we break. Maybe something like that. I don't know how to queue for. I object is not iterable. What does that mean? Int object not iterable. Yeah, maybe it's trying to sort by this. That's why. That's actually annoying. I don't know how to do it. What a disaster. Oh. Okay. How do I write this in a good way? I'm trying to also cheat a little bit, not gonna lie. How do people get... Okay, so this is basically what I was trying to do, but... Maybe I don't know how to do this though. I don't know that I understand this recurrence. I mean, I guess I'm trying to do it like that, but I just don't know how to do it. I mean, I think I had the idea, but I just couldn't know how. I don't know that I know how to do it. Oh, I guess this is... I mean, this is by first search. It's kind of what I'm doing, but I don't know that I get the recurrence. I guess I'm on the right track. I thought that I could do it with what you would call it, but how did I guess they've seen it before. Oh, but what's this binary search? Basically, it adds the next number, and then it also adds. I guess this is just like the way to do a brute force in a way, but in a you know how you do a normal brute force. You know, it's just basically. That's a very clever way. I don't know that I know how to do that one though. I mean, I was trying to do it earlier, but I didn't know how to do it. Yeah, so we have this number, so then we... Okay, and then as index is equal to q, and then we basically just do one number at a time. I guess that makes sense, but I was trying to... I don't know if that makes sense to me, to be honest, but because basically now we're saying that, okay, given there's two ways to do it. We can either not use this index or we use the other one, right? So we have what am I doing? Okay, so basically now we pop this. This is no longer this is now the smallest one, and then we want to either it's either current, and then the next number is going to be minus the next number. Minus this, or but then here we put this number back in, and then we go to the next index, or we just straight up go to the next index like this, right? So that's basically what they're saying. And this is of course if last index plus 1 is less than n. Still not sure if I get it though. I mean, I get it, but I mean, it's actually pretty clever. I mean, I might have to. It's basically the way that we. Maybe this doesn't need to be -1 anymore because we want n iterations. Okay, that's just very wrong, but so we start at total, we go current. What am I doing wrong here? Sorry, I always subtracted it. Oh, because this doesn't include the 0, so we have to process this first. So we have to process this by either okay, so I think I try to cheat too much by the other one. So we either look at it or we just go to the next index. Yeah, something like this. Maybe not clearly. By skipping so we always need at least one number subtracted, so that's why this is a little bit awkward the way that I'm doing it. And also clearly I don't need this anymore, or when like this anyway. Because basically I'm trying to do it my own way. I mean, I did get a hint, I suppose, but yeah, let's see. So this is this using this, and then this is just not using it. But however, because this gets parsed out, we have to handle this in a little bit better way. So this should be maybe, maybe we have to kick it off in a better way. How did they kick off in a better way? Oh, I see. Because I did a min heap instead of the way that I did it is a max heap. So we want 0, 0 actually. So then we did it similar before, something like that. And then here now this is the total. So this is this plus this, and then maybe I think this is wrong, but this is the right idea. Okay, this is the heap. I guess technically this is just some nums of 0. So then now we can do the thing that we were saying. Okay. something's way off here, but how did I get the first one wrong? Okay, so this is 224. What is 224? Oh, that's the snums. Okay, so that's 6. What the hey? So I put 4, even though the expect answer is 2. Okay. Current. Because we have 5, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? We want to. Oh, wait. No, this is right. So this is added. Oh, whoops. This is this, and then this is this. I got the signs wrong. Okay. Is that right though? Nope. I mean, it's right for the nope, not even the first two. Okay, fine. Am I off by 1? I think I'm off by 1, so that's why. Because this is already, yeah, and then in that case we said current is equal to 0. Okay, at least we got the first 2 right. 302. Wow, that is right. Okay. I'll do an explanation about this later, I suppose, but because that's what. Okay, well, I was thinking, this is pretty clever. I've never done it this way, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, what a disaster. 4/17. Right. People always want to know. I think I was trying to do something like this, but I was trying to be too. Man, I don't know how to read that. I definitely was trying to be too clever, but. Oh. I had the ideas, I suppose. But the same way. This is interesting. I thought so. This is actually the way that I was vaguely thinking of, but the way that, but definitely not like this. Also, this prefix of the k is so smart. I was thinking about doing it, but because then this the loop, the loop. Because then now this way is keeping it n square. I was thinking about that's what I was trying to do, but I just thought this would be too slow. But I guess it's n squared log n is fast enough. That's actually crazy that it is fast enough. Mostly I was trying to do this, but with this heap thing and some self-control e thing, but that's actually amazing. I'm curious how that's even fast enough, but okay. Yeah, and everyone else just did it with the. I mean, this is the same idea as before. That's what I was trying to do, but maybe not in a good way. I guess I could have done that in like 5 minutes if I was very confident about it. And this is the same way. I guess a lot of people did it that same way. and not the way. But the way that I end up cheating off pathetic dog, this is actually a good technique. This is just the depth first search. Yeah. All right, that's all I have for this contest. What a disaster. Especially since I spent a lot of time on Q1 because I don't know, I didn't really. Yeah, I don't know, and I got wrong answer. So I think if I didn't, then it would have been. Well, a lot of people end up getting Q4 in some way. So if I didn't have that, it would have been maybe. I don't know if this is good, but it's doable. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'm gonna miss a couple of contests just traveling, so I'll see you later. Bye bye.